What's up, everyone? In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can legally and ethically hijack your competitors' traffic and put your message, your ad, your business in front of their audience. Okay. Now, you're not actually stealing their traffic. It's just very clever advertising that we can do through Google Ads. All right. So this is 100% legal. I can already see people in the comment section going, "Oh, this is wrong. This is wrong." It's perfectly fine, perfectly normal. I've done it for a long time. A lot of my clients went out and students have done it for a long time. And at the end of this video, I will show you an example of what is possible when you do this sort of advertising. So enough chit chat. Let's jump over to my screen and I will show you exactly how to set this up. Alrighty, so here we are. We are in the back end of the Google Ads platform. This is where all the magic happens, and we'll be utilizing this with YouTube ads, and you can even do this with display ads. Okay, but YouTube ads is going to be the best way to utilize this sort of traffic, this sort of advertising. Okay, so just say, for example, I'm a coach or consultant, and my dream clients, they use Go High Level or they use ClickFunnels. Okay, what I can do is I can tell Google, hey, anyone that's visiting Go High Level or ClickFunnels or any website that are similar to these ones, I want to put my ad in front of them. Okay. Or just say I'm a local business, like a local cleaning business, for example. Okay. Anyone, I say Google, right? Anyone that's visiting this cleaning website or this cleaning website or any other sort of cleaning websites that are similar to these two, I want to put my ad, my offer, my message in front of them. With Google Ads, you can do that 110%. So how is that done? Well, firstly, you need to have a Google Ads account. Very easy to set up. Once you have that set up, what you want to do is you want to come over here to Tools, under Tools, and then under Audience Manager, you want to go to click on that, and we want to set up a custom segment. Okay, I won't go through what all these are right now. That's for later on. But once we go to Audience Manager, we want to go to Custom Segments. We click on Custom Segments, right? And we want to click on the big fatty blue button here. And let's just call this, Go High Level, ClickFunnels, Audience, for example. Okay. So we have a couple options here. So we have people with any of these interests and purchase intentions. Nope. People who search any of these search terms on Google. This is a very good one. I'll do another video on this one. But what we're looking for are types of websites. Okay. So you click on people who browse types of websites. We go to that one. And all we got to do is come here and we'll copy this URL. We'll paste it there. We'll go to ClickFunnels. We'll copy that URL. We'll paste it there. Okay. You don't need a ton. All you need is like maybe 2 or 3. You don't need a whole ton of websites in here. And then once you've done that, you hit save and it'll create that specific audience. Okay. So let's create another one for the cleaning businesses, right? So we'll call this cleaning competitors, right? Cleaning competitors. So we go browse types of websites. Again, we just grab this website URL, grab this website URL. Nope, we don't. Wrong one. Okay. Copy there. Cleaning competitors. Hit save. And so now, when we go and we set up our YouTube campaigns or display network banner ad campaigns, we can tell Google, I want to use these audiences. I want to put my ads in front of those audiences, right? And so anyone that visits these particular websites or websites that are very similar to these ones, when I run my YouTube ads, they're going to see my ad, right? That's how it's easy and as simple and as clever as it can possibly be. All right. Now, here's another very good one, right? Plus sign, people who use types of apps. This is another fantastic one, right? So you click on that. So just say, I want to target people. Say I'm a weight loss coach. Right? I'm going to target people who want to lose weight. So I just type in here, weight loss. Boom. I can just pick whatever apps I want to use, right? Anyone that's using Dance Workout for weight loss or Weight Watcher, Scale Tracker, or whatever, right? I can go through and I can just pick these ones right there. I can pick whichever ones I want. Lazy Fitness, weight loss for women, fitness coach, okay? And I can call this weight loss apps, right? Save. Or just say, for example, another one, just say I'm doing like stocks and trades, right? Stocks, like I run like a stocks and trades, okay? Apps. So just say I'm like a stocks and trades coach or whatever. I teach people how to do investing, okay? I come in here, I type in stocks. Oops, sorry, I can't type. Got fingers. Okay, boom. Okay, so come here. Oh yeah, my stocks. What else we got here? just whatever, like whatever. If there's a specific type of app, you can probably type in that specific app. Whatever apps you want to target, you can do that. All right. Another one that I like to do, for example, is let's see here, apps, and then I can do marketing apps. So let's say I want to target people who run Facebook ads, Meta ads, Meta, Meta ads. Oh, look, I can target Meta ads, or just say Google ads, right? So anyone who's using these apps on their mobile phone, if I want to target those types of humans, I can do that through Google advertising, right? This is such a very little known way of advertising. I'm just surprised it's hardly anyone knows it. It's so powerful and it's so effective. So now I've shown you how to create these sorts of audiences inside your Google Ads account. What I'd like to do is I want to show you some results of what's happened with a client of mine who's running a coaching program and how they've utilized this and how they're making they made at least $1.5 million off of their YouTube advertising utilizing this sort of strategy. So let's go to their screen right now. Okay, so here we are. We are inside one of my clients' accounts. And what this client does is they basically teach like local business owners who sell, manufactured goods and whatnot. They teach them how they can buy locally made, like US made or Australian made products and buy them for just as cheap as they can from buying foreign imports, like Asian imports from China and whatnot. And so when they came to us and we started working with them, we're like, well, what are some clever ways that we can, reach out to the right people? Because it's a pretty niche area. And so what we did was, hey, let's target government importing, exporting websites or the login pages for particular importing, exporting type like tools, right? Like online tools. And so as you can see here, we target Alibaba, Amazon, import exporting apps, keywords, wholesale intent sites, but the biggest one has been the government importing websites. So we've just found a few really good government websites about importing, exporting, and tax calculators and all sorts of nonsense. Got pretty clever with it, outside the box type thinking, and we set up a few campaigns around it. And it took a bit of bucking around, but as you can see here, since we've run these particular campaigns, they spent $135,000 on these campaigns, and they're getting at least a 10 times return, on this sort of advertising. Okay, so if you're a coach or consultant, if you're a local business owner looking for leads, it could be roofing, it could be electrical, plumbing, cleaning, whatever it may be, and you want a more outside the box way of thinking for your advertising to reach, to outthink your competitors, and to reach your potential audiences, your potential dream client in a more clever way, then this sort of advertising is completely, as far as I'm aware, very much untapped. It's a very much untapped resource that hardly anyone knows about and hardly anyone is doing. Okay. So if this is something that you would like help setting up or learning how to do, please send me an email. My email is in the description below, and I'll be happy to set up a time with you. We can jump on a call and discuss how we can, do some more outside the box thinking for your advertising. And we'll see you guys in the next video.